one. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to view competitors in Google Ads. If you're looking to improve your Google Ads strategy but are unsure where to start, we recommend zooming out a little to look at what works in your industry, and to a lesser extent, looking directly at what your competitors are doing. In this video, we'll provide a detailed step-by-step guide for marketing managers looking to analyze industry and competitor Google Ads strategies. If you're looking to do a free Google Ads competitor analysis, we recommend the following. For that, I'll give you 3 methods to see competitors' Google Ads info. You just need a Google Ads account for number 2 and number 3 in this section. 1. Head over to Google, make sure your ad block is disabled. Type in a search query. Search if anything appears under sponsored heading. This is the method of using Google search. In this example, we typed Digital Marketing Manchester to get a feel for which of our competitors might be spending more money to appear in ads. This technique can give insight into relative spend. Higher placement correlates with higher spend, but be wary of drawing definitive conclusions, as a lot of factors determine who appears where in the ads, including bid amount, query, location, and so on. 2. Google Ads Auction Insights Report. Sign in to Google Ads. Click Campaigns in the sidebar. Take a look at the Impression Share column. By monitoring impression share over time, you can get a feel for your performance relative to competitors. And while there is no definitive data given, you can generate insights that may give you an idea of competitor behavior for insurance, for instance. This gives indicative information about your performance relative to other players in the industry and can suggest changes in the industry landscape. 3. Sign into Google Ads. This method, by the way, it's Google Ads Keyword Planner. Click Tools and Settings in the top nav. Click Keyword Planner under the Planning heading. Click Discover New Keywords. Type a relevant keyword into the box, and then click Get Results. Take a look at the top of page bid columns. By reviewing top of page bid amounts, you can get a feel for what competitors might be spending on individual terms, and by collecting this data for multiple terms, you can draw insights about overall budgets. Because of the potentially wide range between figures, this data isn't super precise. It can be useful to give ballpark figures, however. This gives indicative information on the potential spend boundaries for specific terms and or lists of terms depending on how you use the tool. You can also see competitors' Google Ads info on third-party tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and more. Building a clear picture for your industry is a crucial part of a PPC campaign. Understanding what works and what doesn't can save you from common pitfalls and amplify your results. And that's it, guys. I hope this was useful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if it was. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video,